Mount Mayon is a beautifully symmetrical volcano in the Philippines. It provides the islands with great scenery and tourism. However, it is also the island's most destructive volcano. Beautifully symmetrical Mount Mayon, which rises to 8,077 feet above the Albay Gulf, is the Philippines' most active volcano. The structurally simple volcano has steep upper slopes averaging 35 to 40 degrees that are capped by a small summit crater. The volcano itself is located in the upper region of Luzon Island. It is surrounded by many small villages on all sides. The climate is fairly tropical, and Mount Mayon is the source of multiple streams and small rivers. Mount Mayon is at a convergent boundary. The Eurasian continental plate is converging with the oceanic Philippine plate, which is subducting. Mount Mayon is also a part of the Ring of Fire.
Mount Mayon is a stratovolcano, also known as a composite cone. It is considered to be one of the most perfectly formed volcanoes in the world because of its extremely symmetrical cone shape. The cause of this symmetrical shape is the volcano's lava. Mayon contains very viscous basaltic lava, which helped to cause it to form into its cone shape. Mayon is not a parasitic cone, as it only has one central crater at the very top of the volcano. The volcano is not a caldera and does not have any fissures for lava to escape. Mount Mayon is currently the most active volcano in the Philippines and has erupted over 49 times in the past 400 years, last erupting in 2013.
The historical eruptions of this basaltic andesitic volcano date back to 1616. Eruptions occur predominantly from the central conduit and have also produced lava flows that travel far down the volcano's flanks. Pyroclastic flows and mud flows have commonly swept down many of the approximately 40 ravines that radiate from the summit and have often devastated populated lowland areas. Mayon's most violent eruption in 1814 killed more than 1,200 people and devastated several towns. Here is a video of one of Mayon's most violent eruptions, captured by an eyewitness.
There are several precursors specifically to the Mayon eruptions that can be seen before the volcano erupts. One is increase in seismicity level, so 0 to 10 volcanic quakes per day. There is ground tilt due to magma intrusion. There is a change in color of steam emission from white to gray due to ash. There is increase in the volume of steam emission. There is crater glow due to the presence of magma at or near the crater. And there are rumbling sounds due to gas explosions, wall fracturing, and landslides. There are also several types of hazards caused by the volcano. These include airfall tephra, which is pretty much pyroclastic material that is shot from the volcano during eruptions. There are lava flows, pyroclastic flows, and also lahars.
Mount Mayon is constantly kept on an alert status, meaning a large eruption is unlikely, but small explosions and rockfalls are still a threat. Surrounding Mount Mayon is a 6-kilometer danger zone. People are prohibited from living or having businesses within this zone. There are several rivers surrounding Mount Mayon, which are considered lahar-prone areas, and people are advised to stay away from these areas during times of heavy rain. Climbing one of the several trails that ascend to Mount Mayon has become a popular tourist attraction. However, many hikers have died on their ascent. On May 12, 2012, 5 European climbers were killed by a steam-driven explosion. In 1993, another steam-driven explosion killed 77 hikers. These explosions occur when magma under the surface heats water under the surface, causing the steam to expand, and eventually the pressure becomes too great and a large explosion can occur. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology has several instruments in place monitoring these volcanoes. Since the explosion in 2012, scientists say the volcano's activity has maintained a safe and normal status.
At 8,077 feet, Mount Mayon is one of the most beautifully symmetrical composite cones in the world. However, visitors be warned, it is still active, and it is very, very deadly.